Hello guys, my name is Marian and welcome to my YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell. On this channel, it's all about making money online, tips and tutorials and website reviews. On this channel, I'll be mainly focusing on testing the website, giving reviews, telling you the legit website and those which one are scams. So guys, keep tuned. Write down your comment to tell me which website I should clarify, whether it's scam and website, depending on my review. So guys, let's get to today's video. So on today's video, I'm going to show you 5 legit websites that pays to do microtask job. Let's get started. These websites, they are worldwide, and if you're Kenyan, if you focus mainly, maybe you target one website, you can make 500 shillings in a day, or maybe you divide one website $2, maybe you can even earn 1,000 in a day. So for this website, I have tried them and I have withdrawn from them. So my 5th website, it's the most paying and maybe the best of all. So my first website is Microworkers. So this is the website. So all you need, you come here and click on register. You fill in your first name, middle name, last name, your gender, your company if you have one, birth of date, email, password. Make sure when you're filling the email, you fill in the email that have a Pioneer account or a PayPal or Skrill and other payment methods which you have, and kindly make sure to check which method they use for payment. So you fill in the country of your residence, all that, and then you submit. So after submitting, they usually send you an email to confirm, and then you log into your account. So guys, since I have an account, let me log in and show you few tasks that they do that you can do in this website. So keep tuned. So guys, here we are. So as you can see, I have a $1.6 is a balance in my account. So on this website, you make money by testing website or apps, surveys, sign up, click and search, transcription, data collection, annotation, video and sharing. This one is for YouTube, like watching YouTube videos. So guys, let's see this one. So as you can see, there are a few tasks here. So as you can see, there are a few tasks here, so you need to click on one. So as per instruction, you need to go to YouTube, search for this video is provided, search for my motivation name in the comment. With the comment, great video gives the motivation. All you need to do is thumbs up and comment on the comment, my comment. So for proof that you have finished the task, you need to screenshot that your YouTube comment you have written as a proof. Include the video stamp to show proof of content being watched. Number 2, must comment under my motivational comment for credit. So guys, for that, you'll be credited $0.12. So just imagine if you can do more tasks. As you can see here, there are about, let's say, 10 of them. Maybe you do 5 of them here, and then you come here for social media. Here for social media, there is Facebook, there is Instagram, there is Twitter, and also TikTok was added. As you can see, right now there are just few of them, meaning maybe there was some and other workers completed them. So for here, you just need, let's click on this one, and as you can see, you'll be credited $0.1. So it's very possible to earn $5 in a day in this website. So you need to follow that TikTok, like any comment on one of it's just a very simple task that you can do here. So guys, let's continue to the next microtasking website that you can combine with this one and the other four that I'm going to show you, and maybe you can even make $10 in a day, and I guarantee you that you can make it. So guys, let's continue to my second website. So on my second website, it's called rapidworkers.com. So guys, also here you just need, if you are a new member, you need to click on sign up here. You sign up with your own details, your email, your name, password, your country, and then click I'm not a robot, and then you continue from here. So let's log in and I'll show you a few tasks that you can do here. So guys, when you enter this website, you need to come here on target workers and choose international. But if you are in this country, you can choose the country of your choice. So guys, that's it. For international, you can see there are so many tasks and others pay up to $0.4. So if you want to start with the most highest paying, you can come here and click most paying. So meaning for this website, it's going to show you the most paying the most paying task. So you can choose to start with the most, or maybe you can come here and type the one you want to start with. Let's say you want to start with doing micro task of YouTube. So you click on, you type in YouTube, and as you can see, there are so many tasks. As you can see, for this one, it's paying $1, and as you can see, it's international. Yo guys, so meaning if you do like 10 of these, you can make up to $10. So for you to know which you can do, let's choose international. So as you can see, it's 0.1, and it's fast paying. So let me show you one. Let's open one. So go to this link, click here button, complete the human verification. So for this one, most of this one which have this one for human verification, it's usually an offer that you need to complete before you proceed to the next task, that is YouTube. So I'll advise you, maybe you come, if you want to concentrate on specifically YouTube without doing any offer, maybe check with the one with the least paying, like 0.6 and 0.3. This one, it's all about YouTube only. So you just maybe need to watch a YouTube video, answer what the employer wants you to do. So like this one, go to YouTube, search that keyboard, click on the video as shown, watch it full, comment and do share, just that. And you can share on Facebook, Twitter, except WhatsApp. So approve, screenshot, full watch, and answer how many times the word whatever was mentioned. So for this one, I'm going to show you maybe how to know the word hostja, to know how many times. So on my next video, I'm going to show you how I do it and the websites I usually love. So guys, on this website, you can choose more. You can come here and maybe choose Facebook. As you can see, there are tasks for Facebook, like Instagram, also TikTok. Right now there is no TikTok. Which other one? Twitter. Yeah, that's it for guys. So let's proceed to the next website. So my third website, it's called Jobboy. So for this one, they usually pay through Litecoin. So you can create maybe, and they change their name to highertalents.com. So you can check it out. So you need to create a Coinbase account because they usually withdraw using Litecoin. So let's sign up. So if you are new here, you need to click on register, follow all the steps, and then you can log in. So let me log in. So guys, when you're on this website, you need to click on microjobs. So as you can see here, subscribe to our YouTube channel, easy sign up. Also for this one, it's almost similar to the other website. As you can see, there's also Twitter here. Just a simple sign up, download and install, simple sign up, visit a site, sign up, simple sign up. So guys, check it out. Copy YouTube link, channel link. Let's see this one. So as you can see, slot are 2 out of 5. It's available international. So you need to click here, complete any 2 small tasks to get to free tutorial jobs video link. So for this one, I assume it's about offer also, but you can do it also. Let's choose this one, subscribe to our YouTube channel. So go to this link, click on YouTube, complete human verification. So guys, if you want to know what to do on this website, you can filter by categories. Choose the one of your choice. If you want to sign up and make 2 posts, sign up, visit, search and visit, SEO and web traffic, social media task, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, yeah, all that. So guys, let's proceed to the fourth one. And fourth one, it's called Timebucks. So for this website, you're being paid to post on Facebook, view funny slideshows, play games, install apps, complete microtasks, and answer surveys. So if you're new here, you click on sign up on this one, and after that, you need to log in. So guys, here we are on this website. You just need to come here, click on earn. As you can see, there are surveys, content, task. You can refer a person and then you earn out of that. There's games, offer walls. Yeah. So guys, let me show you. Let's go to content. So here for content, you need to click on ads, slideshows. For slideshows, there are about 20 of them. So for today, I have completed one since it's early in the morning. Also, you need to engage. For you to engage, you need to complete at least 4 items in the daily checklist. So for daily checklist, it's here. So you need to complete at least 4 on this one. So guys, let's go to the task tab. I'll show you a few of the tasks on this website. So this one, you can take a survey, download, start trading. So guys, let's go to my 5th best website and the most paying. So on this website, it's called sproutgigs.com. So guys, I can see my time, it's almost running up. So guys, kindly check those websites.